Chelsea in Pongo.
Say be no see a sign of goal on N'Golo Kante o Jane pa and yes we be no akwaje N'Golo Kante ka. Say ya obi say ye nkyere no ba bia e ton no onko Tobi. N'Golo Kante.
Now anyway go in fact after Chelsea winning the Champions League, Chelsea fans ni be yanyoma Chelsea fans ni be yanyoma hu na say untimi nka pe nkyere mo
okwoka de
because omo na de omo na omaje Champions League and omo na say omo ye ni say ya wo ye hwie nye omo dia what you say
yeah
omo dia anyway enti N'Golo Kante we ka we say say bomb so onya ka say ano be say Matthew Obens no start minimum we draw over church na egu ho a one grab you Chelsea for no ya be they say Chemaneji
yeah
Chemaneji be our Land Cruiser now Lexus no na bia T garage of the car nya zo ya N'Golo Kante na Christian say
say VIP bus is in now omode N'Golo Kante near Bochiri. It tells you to how amazing he has been. Chelsea for them finding near Brokra, and especially baby Osai enya fans near baby Chelsea supporters no doors pa Africa has any Ghana has area. Also Chelsea for nation that doors. Enti no ye player na see akana Chelsea na tebe boni call ni ka krebia fans in the obeji pa. Enti N'Golo Kante die nyame na ehira no na Brent was a brain ho ase. Ono ankasa will not involve himself in some of these things. But man for player na sem papa. Enye Chelsea for nko na pe N'Golo Kante asem. Everybody so on the football na osai penny pass mo who is as a person tino chairman doesn't matter whether you are Chelsea supporter or not when you Chelsea supporter N'Golo Kante player obi apenasem nti I'm not surprised as animal nyina no e kodema N'Golo Kante.
Oh okay, well na obi N'Golo Kante kan right. Blue card. Chelsea fans, they say, me say Matthew got thrown there. Maybe a true. Now we say Chelsea, you know. Obi worry on the year. Yes. Almost say Chelsea. Yeah. Almost compare Chelsea. You know. Chelsea. Now it's also commission Jesse. No, now you don't from the idea. Oh, my own fugu bisu nice pa and also blue. Fugu Ibina and N'Golo Kante Dean boy Chelsea. It's nice. I think said the Chelsea for no celebrate be brain. Said it was Chelsea against the rest of the world. Now be nipani be brain no. Including myself, I'm saying now support no Man City and Chelsea for. But I don't know man for because what support to oh yes, but in Accra, all here France friendly game on my boy and N'Golo Kante and my French national team no yes solid alongside Paul Pogba, Corentin Tolisso, of course Karim Benzema prime, but the presence of N'Golo Kante of France for midfield to the extent say Andre Rabiot, Ousmane Dembele, Moussa Sissoko and starting 11 Didier Deschamps was so much quality. He was against Bulgaria to the extent say Karim Benzema prior Olivier Giroud Mukrano abeshe 2 goals. Antoine Griezmann and Niji Odebobo no any celebration crowd be can go Shehon and all of that. N'Golo Kante or the balance man or no I'm say that man so special man because one man pass cry no show din you the fako e says one is work bro so special a guy to be very frank Euros here number fear day or one man or my France for your hot favorite for this tournament. Well, about the same way he played for Chelsea, yeah, I can tell you that France will be the team to absolutely beat. Now I'm just hoping that Karim Benzema be recover because I know stands him and it looks like saying a serious injury, but truth be told Karim Benzema Kylian Mbappe and Antoine Griezmann chairman sani amrantia no siati omo ho ase no no enim ho no ene Karim Benzema born 10 no sa na Jordan Ayew person born there no but tutum sampa difference wom sani na Joel Famia running on the flanks, Samuel Owusu running on the flanks, na Jordan the person born as a number 10 well as a 10.5 player because on 9 on one so 10 no but so because not 2 games in here cause at the same time Ghana against Morocco ne France against Bulgaria into we kakra no we kakra sampa no Ukrainian difference but at the end of the day Portugal be more opposition as usual. The English will be there because Gary Southgate at least the last few tournaments work on even for the World Cup in Russia no drew the semi-final stage Medical Portugal with the quality of more in Bruno Fernandes, Ronaldo, Ruben Dias, João Moutinho and all of those guys. Very solid team. They have a very good coach in Fernando Santos. Croatia for also unfortunately Ivan Rakitic ain't available but with Luka Modric, with Ivan Perisic, Croatia always a tough side to beat. Oman beat is Medical France, Belgium maybe perennial underachievers, but this golden generation, last chance, the major tournament, and the Italian national team under Roberto Mancini, also Locatelli, Nico Barella, Sensi, all of those fine players, they could prove a tough challenge. But of course, maybe Ronald Frank de Boati, my friend Holland, for me, you're messing chain because I was star player in Memphis Depay. Yeah, now I'm sure.
I'll say, message, yes. Obapa now, 20% of Ghana routes are asphalt. The rest is covered by N'Golo Kante. Say the Kante fever no. And surprisingly, you see at times he picks public transport, train to Koban training. With all his money, with Johnny Car train. Such an individual, so you never take a cue from him. Say we are saying
simplicity.
Simplicity. There is no camera on you to live your life.
Yes.
As a free, we are saying the world will come to a stop.
Movie on. Movie on. Yes, that's life.
And so we born if you want more life as a person, mama for penasem.
Yeah.
The reason why
his humility is
when a lot of supporters they are not Chelsea supporters, but they like N'Golo Kante.
Yeah.
We born if you want who he represent as a person. Chairman, why amazing.
But this is the Chelsea wedding. The Chelsea wedding. Chelsea for me no omo warina. Why you mo? You say obi wiade. Why you mo? Na ha say no mo bo Chelsea anthem no. And on the ring na dem satombo. And on Chelsea anthem. I don't blue is the color.
Chawa, look at Barcelona and Real Madrid. Yenum be a lot of excitement, but the Chelsea I may be Bremano. Me sure say Africa there your team won Chelsea because I'm not too sure say any major European side that no what commitment to the development of African football like Chelsea. Obo Bobo from Jeremy Njetab Mumreno, EBC Celestine Babayaro, Ariel Mike Leicester and Didier Drogba, John Mikel Obinom, the black contingent, the African contingent, and at that time there was the personal involvement of Roman Abramovich, the top profile African players. So Ebi Brem had their continent where so there. So Ebi ma conquer China, Real Madrid, Man United, ma conquer Asia. Hona Africa had there.
I think it's all about Chelsea. Yeah. It's all about Chelsea. Well, I tell you, you're still live on Pure 95.7 FM. You can say they're good on some. Yeah, they by Yanko and Black Stars game anymore. Now Yanramu, Coach Sika Kono, Nasmo can say, no impressed with the performance of his players, but the GD is also more. Also goal scoring, even defending. Also, when you can't watch him,
your defense no, and yet too much of a problem. I'm not saying that but the starting campaign, I mean, defensively, some how to attack and create chances. Score and a little bit of share how best we can do now. To me, goes because at the end of the day, no,
well, I say the defenders, much of a problem. On come on to me, but or attack no as a intimate. Also, a campaign qualifies no Bibiana. Now say yeah, but nisha no and agakwe problem. And so at the amai. But I mean Ghana team your name Morocco ball. And now Hakim Ziyech ba park in this instant impact. And Obo South Africa kna. And that error by Razak Abalora. Kosika kono akasa dia fa ho.
Enya wo check yes I work no. Enya obi a I mistake yes but we ebe boa no na why improve in that area.
Well, na obi busa say na na coach odi Andre your captain. Andre are you the kind of energy or exerting when the Black Stars are playing. And then a man within the bench.
Yeah, try to be. I mean, we're captain, fine, but some say only who so only who I try to be. This is a friendly match. I think it's an opportunity. Say other guys no money being born. But of course, where's I will say also show as a coach we show respect. You have to talk to the captain and no better say and understand the whole sense because it's which wire maybe on start. It's my duty, to the piano players share the opposite on here. No, also on show mass.
Well, also on any come and it's you show him respect. So they want to be respectful. But and this is the goal. And I tell you live on Facebook. But some mama here one age for a technical challenge me, and it's almost sorted. It will be a week here muno ebeba. No, Christian Abalora na oyede. I heard him yesterday he was lost in in his own thoughts.
No indecisive.
Say
Opie na that's 1 point.
Other to punch the ball now want to know.
But keeper they say Opie at the moment Aoba no. Why what decided that? The other didn't Aoba.
But me, even though Abalora made the mistake, so I fault the defenders too. 3 defenders in the post. 3. Mind me ahead of every. For Abalora's mistake was, I mean, won't even pardon such a mistake, especially at this level. You expect say obeche ball no, and I say so didn't say boomer or festival now.
Yes.
Obe festini. But
Chairman Abalora.
And no challenge. And no say go on share no. Near defenders say complain to referee say my goalkeeper no ma challenge your own. But you can't do this. You can't do this. Okay, you check it, Christian.
Well, on say most often you see friendly games here. Yeah, now you dwell so much on the results. You look at a team performance and a team play. Chairman said the results on the Tonchen Enra. I think they beat a lot of positive from Enra game now. It's me share no. Adeba ko I need a Ghana for a team organization. Anyhow a team control game, especially without the ball. Enra I think say in ya sadly say team no enya a lot of control. As I quite well organized, especially time and ball Incra Air Blasters of Ghana. Only North African teams air bar normally only use flanks Benra I realize that we have players me normal ball air Ghana wings now. Air Samolusu Enejo Famille. They were tracking back to help our lateral defenders, Ama Morocco for no a lot of air play from wings, That was quite encouraging. Adebaku me sure say ene si enemu Blaster squad. Kosika kono ebenya a lot of headache central defensive partnership. Enra game wa mrante mienu Nicolas Opoku ene Daniel Amati eboye no. Ama a lot of hopes. Se Blasters ko Nations Cup and a major tournament bia department Black Stars enshada Emre Pano sa 4 and 5 partnership no. Enra Nicolas Opoku was so amazing. And a Daniel Amati chairman Enra also play some amazing game at my Blasters of Ghana.
And I think that Jiku boy is a very good player.
Yes. That's why I'm saying the Blasters air lineup, squad for a major tournament bia. Department Sika Kuno Emre central defensive partnership no. Enra Emrate me no boy Nicolas Opoku any Amati no actually say Jiku honum John Boy honum. Even the last 2 Nations Cup qualifier boy no. Ghana's best player was Ganiu. Ganiu is available. And a Nicolas Opoku.
Afcon qualifier.
Yes, it is a Ganiu honum. Na Nicolas Opoku any Amati borum boy and it say Sika Kuno ladam. Even the first 11 crano. Plus me no able star 4 and 5 no. Chairman obebre papa. Now it is very good. Say sometimes certain department obe spoiled for choices. It help the team. And will be able to give one the best. And then so a center back. Now that's why money unim says the ofru achi ba bebo no wa hwe no ba be position general na quite encouraging assignment da so say unu say place ni nyina the way quite versatile ayamati echini say Abrante Fe Nicholas Opoku team bo very wonderful game Gani available Diku honum na John Bodum nya available dia ene wa hwe betimi a shift even a Martin to central defense na Martin abeka kudus ho any pattern wo mfimfia chama it makes our midfield very strong me assure say senka central defensive no enye very strong dia o shift a Martin every center back aba mfimfia obi an support benei yen center back pair no I very strong it is the safety a Martin every center back eba mfimfia abeka kudus ho any pattern wo mfimfia no mo a I'm sure say team no eba very strong baby aka that we need to work on we need sika ko no ya adwin the firepower chairman onim say season we are coming see Nations Cup na Ghana striker dey ne ko Nations Cup no Jordan then we need to have a lot of work to do season we are NDA Abrante Fe Jordan chairman just one goal we are talking about a player of the previous season at Albano no I said 9 goals Jordan 1 goal now was say no e dey say be no need playing time Jordan ebo almost 33 matches this season and I started 33 matches now Jordan boy no or say just 1 goal now then say in recent times the Africa Cup of Nations now teams now edge no obia a lot of air and I say obia air strong firepower 2019 Ojera for Nigeria Ojera for edge AFCON no Mares any Adam Unas Emma Ojera for 3 goals to that tournament obia ma 3 goals it's our 2 players ni no mpe ye we season no ye we Nations Cup no na Ojera for enya players mienu a omo share 6 goals sa players in share 6 goals ma Ojera we no now you see Belari any Bonije and so I say 2 goals each and Ojera for edge Nations Cup no they had 4 players per sa 4 players no Emma Ojera 10 goals yanko echi Mekaisa 2017 chairman 2017 Cameroon for Nigeria Nations Cup no omoje no Vincent Abubakar Sebastian Siani Nicholas Nkuku these were players Benjamin Mukanjo any Christian Basogok were players bia omo nyina no mo share goals erima the Cameroon national team no ye ko echi kura 2015 Ghana edu final any Avicos edu final no ye ko final no Ghana enya players mienu a omo 5 goals dede ema 5 goals Christian Achu ema 2 goals omo sa goals ni wiye no ye senya several other players bia no munya ema 1 goal each Kosiapia ema 1 goal Jordan Ayew ema 1 goal John Boy ema 1 goal Asamoah ema 1 goal ena Wakasu ema 1 goal so even though say yentimi anye cap no Ghana eco finals in 2015 no they ema 3 goals Achu ema 2 goals no yenya as much as 1 2 3 4 5 players obia ehye goal erima the Black Stars of Ghana Avicos won a 2015 Nations Cup no chairman Wilfred Boni Javino Mas Gradel Yaya Toure Seydou Dimbia all these players were scoring for Ivory Coast national team no it's all tournament that's on firepower in ya chairman so be 20 tournament in there about dia my ye papa it's quite evident say ball na ye boni nyina no we are quite organized defensively we are just okay but attack na ne di kope goals e dey win game no attack e betime win tournament e be no chairman na quite non-existent they na rehun say your main striker in the tournament you know for all this season 33 matches chairman was just 1 goal pe na see ebeji AFCON no ye hwe team say no mko akobo no omo fa pa omo dey ba chairman bi die hu
but no say boy hwe ndi on say ye team ni Morocco bo say dey say
we resource different China there are a lot of very positive but we also have a lot of things that we need to get those things right as say team akosa AFCON no one of the things I see team na right no I have firepower Sika kono acknowledge say the cia call the next AFCON dia chairman high team for cup no mafi Ghana so there say oko AFCON na even so do finance kura na any achievement the ultimate target ni say ye the cup ne ba say person the cup ne ba dia chairman say attack we there we need to work on it na me no nukure ni me hwe Nigeria for attack no chairman hwe attack no season we Paul Onuochia osi akan Edema Jenk in 33 games this season was 33 goals. Simi Nwanku osi akan Edema Krotoni 20 goals in 29 games this season. Kelechi Iheanacho from Nigeria, Ose 15 goals in 29 matches. And a Victor Osimhen, I will see a kind Edema Napoli, 10 goals Edema Nigeria. Sa attack with Nigeria deba AFCON. Even Algeria for now, Omi defending champion, almost had a lot of firepower neighbor. Egypt for Eddie Sadio Mane eba, Egypt Eddie Musa eba, Senegal Eddie Sadio Mane, Sheku Kouyaté, any Ismail Sarr eba. Algeria for the Islam Slamini, Mahrez, any Sofiane Efegulumune deba this AFCON dia. Nyamianum no kreni. Baby I said to me, Juma part to be able to win this AFCON should be our attack. And basically, it was non-existing. One other positive, Mohamed Kudus, chairman, or amazing player.
I know when the shots that was saved by
amazing.
I think that was a good drive.
That's why I said, Messi shifted Amate, Ebeka Pate home. Now Kudus can win 50 on more. Ghana very strong midfield. A defense in India, say a Jukunum, and Nicholas boy in India. We may have the confidence that Yenfa Amate Mren Finfin. Sa Amate Ben Finfin, na Kudus boy na all bono. Ya the Pate Bekanwa. Chairman, me sure say Ghana very strong in midfield. Baby, I say Abrante Yefeno Balora. Chairman, we a very good goalkeeper. Ghana for in Yajitum. Yankase wasa. Keepers they make mistakes and correct. But the more na uye mistakes, Chairman, now we take care away one kasa opposition from the team. Onim say ni mistakes are ama Blasters are consider goals 2 in the last 2 games. The last 2 games are was here Academy Blasters of Ghana no. Why mistakes too? Some mistakes in nyina ama Ghana are consider a goal. Goalkeeping department a special department in every team. That is why say yeah technical team omo with department. Goalkeepers trainers. Omo any defenders trainers. Any midfielders trainers. Any strikers trainers. Department you said that you omo trainers, omo coaches goalkeepers. Because the mistakes of a goalkeeper sometimes a team consider goal so easily. There are goalkeepers any that lost this somebody committing mistakes and say and game never here obia a mistake. From the goalkeeper to the laterals to the midfielders obia a mistake. But sometimes artful players when they make mistake one shall only a bit technical one by a goalkeeper there your mistakes in there obia only bomu crab head ball na goalkeeper a mistake obia who so easily. And our mistakes now it most often and my team consider go and my team lose cup you lose games and Balora there Nyamianum Kreni or a fine goalkeeper. The last time I Kotoko free goal post was against Omoni Wafa and we be there
Felix
the next game by who saves Kotoko near Ghana Stars 1-on-1 saves. I think say about 1-on-1 saves that he's the best in this country. But baby, so much. So I'm for the body, the mistakes that he commit. I quite too common. Blasters, what about them? The last 2 games now committing mistakes. Basana, when people are making a case for you in the national team, Chama, you strong case for now. So bet me unlimited mistakes now. All you know, so kwadia, Nyamenu Kreni, Ebehano. So unlimited now. Apart from that, in the air, there's no doubt say he's a very nice goalkeeper, but unlimited mistakes in the soup.
Okay, Obi tries.
Chairman, I'm sure saying for a Christian DVA because so I check it lineup now Lawrence Atizige and Danlad Ibrahim na net bench. And for a local goalkeeper Razak Balora say Obekotko number 1. No one say Black Stars number 1 is an indication of sort of quality or a 24-year-old. And yes, no crack on only errors no they have going to say errors leading to goal. I was a goalkeeper bia no
it's me a mistake but never go back.
Na the goal back. It is all share Kotoko against Mediama, Kotoko against Liberty Professionals. And Kotoko against Dwarfs. Ni nyina no e da ni defenders na ngino no or consider very silly goals. Inti I was unfortunately for Kotoko no and this is a Black Star situation. Because CK Akono no mu nyamre ma wo camp because Black Stars they were di 1 week and luckily for Kotoko no the Black Stars goalkeepers trainer Najau or no na Kotoko goalkeepers trainer into opinion no adwumaye and no ma ben was all hwem dey di kan I was say oni a branch friend onim ni ye Razak Balora wa bra na because goalkeepers bra and omutumi yes mistakes be say so wa bra
and now I complacent.
Oh yes, it's a factors in there, but may share fatigue.
Okay.
Into maybe yes, dropping a game bimu ni training sessions ne kura no say ni esi hihye na abranten benya enough rest no asan recover nti it is who be here say abranten no meni obi aye adwen say nya fe na ye ba beku no de aye ne de ye mo no on sign sorry biom because the ekukọ okoso tumi say ye trender so yi sa de no nko free wa you be a great goalkeeper de tosu mienu say so o say o busia na problem be say e was omo ne kasa so problem bi wo ha say ne yiri o say ne ma o bi o gina park ne so na dwen kosi so say na me bayi me yiri won they have to get close to the boy and try find out what the true problem is no one no on to me recover because a problem say do levels bia and say twice say dia sika kuno ni option bia so be drop no every national team nimo but say performance so dia and usha in ra say dia ne dia I'm saying aerial judgment born in them wiemu a so upia be punch no say na hono no wanya ne calculation ye and we goals be consider against Liberty Professionals ne media man so a na che say our challenge be o e was here and say a complacency which is in relation to performance so there na there yeah because you see Kotoko 3 national team goalkeepers Kwame Ban Felix and Razak obia no betuma nya kwanya Black Star nim nti say Razak na say enya brain wa bre and anya say abusuasem bi na dan so na sikasem bi and odi obi ka bi and da bia nipa no ha no and odi be gina pole mu consider goals no consider no na ene modern na aba from there na was mpanyin for na animu ya no omu promote goalkeeper for bi say Felix and Kwame Ban because at the end of the day so yes medical ka so twazo say dia enya dia CK akono benya abotre amano tournament no senior pressure esi abane dia CK be pesa obefa the best of call and obefa the emranti omo form no de omakosi akan into challenges be say dia I'm just hoping sir Najao any coach Mariano Barreto and Manimu Yano omo find a solution to this problem. Now the manager is coach Valid Halilovic about three back no na Yamek Roman Sias any Agorad and obo Hakim Sharaf on the right and obo Brantefan Malud on the left. Now there yes a friendly match but senior Ghana Mrantiano at least the first 70 minutes there and the first 69 minutes or so Ghana Mrantiano to me handle 3-5-2 formation Morocco for the buy no chronic sir I think sir without the ball Sabon ni Blaster and idea back was a CK could not improve it Sabon ni Blaster Mrantiano so na aya almost structure na effect on Jading, Nading, some Morocco for Black Stars and Rantanim. I think said the first 70 minutes, the only chance I'm some Morocco for Nino, I romancias had a beer or the sea for more a far pole. So beyond that, man, who any significant chance Morocco for no Enya. Ghana chance but could be in the first half. Now Joel Famia. Born early cross from Andy Yadom and truth be told say I can't kudos Mohammed and then Raseno si ball now a branch back kuswa watching the number 2 position no Andy Yadom or Bobo Papa ye I'm so excited about the sort of competition Gideon Mensah Edbema Ibrahim Moro and then maybe Rababaraman and at this material moment me sure that CK Akuno and you're too sure of left back or in the back tournament because left backs ni no so far I think sir Gideon Mensah LED nam de Ibrahim Moro show and sanam de Babaraman atwa so bani nyina mu no na ya anisa Ghana or defenders bebre John Boy wo ho Joseph Edu wo ho Salisu Muhammad wo ho Kasim Numusu wo ho but of course Nicholas Opoku there or a constant for this tournament amate eso am praying who bebre ball or boy no na you more of cover or ready or send a pass nisi bana no so he was always at the right time or he was always at the right place at the right time and that's the sort of experience I think sir Daniel Amate I replace John Boy yepa because and run all the experience no and the ball no Jikud yeah kind of top 10 defenders or more French Ligue anymore a branch this season no oka ho na eba midfield wa say Ben and na be me say twemu discuss it say Thomas Partey say anya dia Morocco friendly way no obetumi akobo bi ntini ehwe combinations ebetumi akoso but no kra ni se enya Thomas Partey ni enya Salisu enya Baba Iba Idris Baba ni enya Kudus Mohammed. In fact emrantie miensa no mo boy midfield apart from Emmanuel Lomote ono no ma hu ni yie em se ball no ni na mu hu se number 8 no sanya yesi ni Michael Essien no and say no mu si control ya midfield ma no na Emmanuel Lomote no de sa no na mu but yenya Partey o midfield ni mu na nura se no mu si ball no omo ye ni sa dia na Ghana midfield na tete ne e wo no Steven Tornado apia Sula Ali Muntari Michael Essien Laye Kingston no ne ya ben omo kakra de nya ni se yebenya friendlies ni bebre ni ay consistent e was so ho eno na ya de bakwa na so many. I was also excited with Joel Famie. Joel Famie defensively no ba na chi be cover Samuel Owusu no ono so je ball na utum say trickery no e won na no but ne de bia na ode ne ba ball right because player no left inti bi also na ode na ball ayo mu change position kakra no no so medi left ho na crosses no so anya adwuma the day Obianim sorry Jordan the Obianim say the problem you finishing nye and you beka Jordan finishing asem but ne nyina mu no nra sa o game na utum say general team play so ba na chi or yes o say park no so there Jordan cover baby but onu kro wan say there chances bebre because say Bobby na about 1 or 2 very feeble shots. In my estimation, he could have done better. But coach changes no. And now you bought the 4-2-3-1. You bought South formation no 90 minutes. Coach answers him. The first change a coach here 45 minutes.
But under coach Money.
Oh,
team organization
match.
Team organization.
Oh, yeah, a friendly match.
You be a place who were fighting.
You drew tournament so be a pretty position. Until be any bebre. By a Fred 23 near court tournament now. Okay, yes, why not? Possible. But strike Kennedy and Nama and Ra, in fact, in Nigeria and Smith or sending message say Nigeria for Everton for player no Ademola Lukman. Omni view into Nigeria for Kofano. Say player be friend Ovie Ejerie. Ono so mo kwa Kofano. And Mikel Olese. Ono so no almost sama for player. Well, maybe Hudson or Doy, you know. Say yes.
Yami animre ni evano.
And I say boy yeah ko Sweden. And Rasa anka misusu say Sanya
England be mother.
Oh, Obenya Biabo Hudson or Doy 20 years Obenya Biabo or America ka won him. Obenya Biabo. Obenya
Shaka ne ifu dom da so wo.
But at the right time no Hudson or Doy oh well, yes, of course. And I think that may be the reason why the president was insisting that Hudson or Doy were a team because Enrano or they James Akamenko be replace Lomote they be ball more of Niniani role now no shifty Jordan rather to the left. Why didn't Kwame Poku play? Because Enra Jordan there now you didn't tell us Jordan ball 90 minutes Enra and I was disappointed in that angle. Changes now brave because I'm sure Morocco for now. Omo close like 6 changes within the game. Ghana 3 or 4. And I don't know say when no need team one. See Akuno Ayana say or the Ebeko tournament now. Well, let's wait and see as far as our case no are concerned. But see Akuno so no the line no and our call up biomwa. On share Mahat Maotu. Daniel Lomote. What for boy yeah call
strike. I mean, you're looking at strikers.
Absolutely.
Because it looks like that's our weakest link now.
Majid Waris, Ebenezer Sifua, all my boys Kwame Pokunum, and yet the Biana Jordan Bebo. Or the Edwin Jesse Bem, Edwin Jesse not Nakoto Winks. Yes, you saw Branch or Winks or now or Professor Boy Pretty from the right. But when Jordan is not performing, take him out. Uniform. Now, that be because in born there. Say you're born 5 days crank Jordan in Shego. I could not find a way how. No, on Shego. And not the brightest spot was Kudus or Jebona. No person pushy, no boss shot be, no yebi be creative be out of nothing. Because midfielders need control ni we are. No do anymore now. No my confused. That's what I'm saying, sir. Without the ball, we look good. But with the ball, we're so inefficient. And those are few things. I mean, I sure say a friendly match, you know, coach, you know, at the situation or the and Yoma Kakra. I'm just hopeful, sir. obe pick a lot of lessons from South friendly way boy. Now against Cote d'Ivoire, Cape Coast no. You be say packaging you be unfortunately I want him to repeat that centre back partnership near here. Babaraman so man here because to me for Babaraman in Tina bench na tournament now the Babaraman and coach them. Yeah, hwe ne modern mono.
There was only so no modern money. And ordinary.
Say Cote d'Ivoire ne be mayehu. Ye be hu final.
Over Cote d'Ivoire.
And ye mayehu ne final. Say ye the Ibrahim Moro na ekwa na ye the Babaraman na ekwa. But of course, Claire saw the Babaraman and ebeko. So in terms of the results, quite disappointing though. But what more can you say? Is a friendly, and the second friendly game against Cote d'Ivoire. No, ebe my clear picture about the sort of controller coach Sike Akuno. Ewo team. So Morocco for ne there. Ukraine almost stars no El Nesri, Monir El Haddadi, Hakim Ziyech, Romain Sias. They have those great players, but Morocco for no yes your problem nibi. Omo in my estimation they are more weak mentality. Omo teamwork no so form. I think say Cote d'Ivoire for them a very good test, and I can't just wait for that game. But they should not give up. I'm sure sir the only player will be here psychological help. Player Razak Balora. Momu Muna Bem or Munyan and Kakra Krania Saboy no bet to recover from the sort of slumper or the
well, Black Stars. Okay, Okaba Black Stars are the unse medical culture about Nike near Adidas no maybe a man for issue so Kwampoku for instance there's this picture minim to Facebook live now Kwampoku no share Adidas socks and Nike boots. Minim say be of deal with Nike. Normally boots no there. Mr. Ojai wadaruma tie dia meka no. Na ye ho adwuma. Kwampoku Blaster training na o say Adidas socks and Nike boots. Minim say onso hu bia. Omo Ojai na moja amode kasa tenten no. Darling Pony be white. I na munye you are near other things no. And Chania last chance travel and tour so as we come Obi Dubai near ko. Yeah. Dubai near ko. On the 10th of July near ko.
Okay.
It's one episode could be biano. We need border from Ugodi 5 days in Dubai. The 5 days in Dubai no. Baby Abeda will take it out there could be bia and then you know sorted. But so you had any phrase in a telephone to me. We muna say for no Pima for no complaining.
Okay.
Say
no more this socks we be buy.
Pima for obia.
Say nipa no wanche.
And I say
boots no so no me sure say Black Stars here more boots.
The boots so what we
Puma boots.
Puma boots so normally players be brain no. The omo yan say be brain no omo kit sponsors.
Ghana players no.
I be. Oh, we got a Ghana player.
Answer maintain who answer.
Maybe you be set there just ya ne.
Be pattern mu na be obi.
I be will be. Oh. It's if you Nike sponsorship for boots. But so and they say Nike boots then they are allowed. But socks na there. Also say national team the kits sponsor no. It's other company they say
kits man.
Adidas socks
team manager was
can dintia or company no say you are supposed to check these things.
We are Juma no.
Nancy buy Munich for S hacking player back for driving the wrong car to their training grounds.
Yeah. There's something go tricky be apart from omo dey Audi right
and the player between Mercedes
say nti the omo yen say ndina omo no kwa ne dey ho na so kai the Kevin Prince go sign Barcelona your man Audi.
Yes,
we heard that could be so be a Ghana teams be a kotoko na has o say na ma Toyota and say e be a Ford be and say BMW and Mercedes be nyame ne your mom pa be
no tangible reason the car.
Okay, now Razak Balora, meaning where I can't go to console so action in grass and take on Twitter. Over the Razak Balora tour I say one of his saves, and the picture is very nice. Omo the encouraging Ozenra. Meaning someone for her on Twitter said and I'm for AC bashing for the mistake he made. And I tried as hard as possible not to post anything on ASSM. No, it just something gonna come say together stronger Abalora. And hashtag Abalora1 hashtag AKSC and no yeah kotoko no but come back one of the goalkeepers also was Santiago. Kwamba also had some very good words for the colleague Abalura on Twitter. I'll say mistakes have always been part of the game. Just that sometimes we as keepers, ours become visible because we are basically the last man standing. And that shows the weight of responsibility we hold. The best part is we learn and bounce back harder. Spot on, mate. And the hashtag, no? Spot on, mate. I know words of encouragement or the money, say, or the encouraging. Okay, Achia Master for 12. Eta ye chire edwumadi bampa papa de ye nyina agya tu so kwa Achia Master so ya eno ano no obetire nya sneakers obetire nya shoes mpabo bia opa bia Achia Master so ye eno so do ani chire mpabo papa fie ye fa no Achia Master for 12 na Achia Master potase adwunase road ya so over potase okwa adwunase a over akwan ne so obun say washing baby ho washing baby na pretend na ndi hwe animu no esoro ho ena Achia Master ho Achia Master ko mbehwe ofeso empabo bia no opa bia wunya so opa bags opa belts ni nyina bi ho say slide say sneakers say shoes say loafers ni nyina omo obi number is 0244